Hello everyone, welcome back to the Alpha One982, your YouTube Paracord community. Now we're gonna do the wide bracelet core for the wide bracelets. We're gonna use this wider buckle or a bigger buckle as you wish, and we're gonna create the bracelet core with the 4 inner strands with the 2 pieces of a cord. So we're gonna insert one end of a cord from the top. We're gonna take the cords by the end and we find the center. Now when we did that, we're gonna simply make our bottom cord over the top one, around and through the loop on the left side. And we're gonna do the same with the second strand. So from the top, pull through, find the center by picking the ends, and then with the bottom cord make it around on top of the upper or top cord and through the loop. Like so. Now as you can see here, we have the space to insert the center cords for the bracelet or any other paracord project, and we still have the 4-strand paracord bracelet core. So we're gonna make to the second end of a bracelet or second part of a buckle, and we're gonna pull it to make it tight, and as we did before, we're gonna make it around and through the loop, like so. Now pull it, cinch it, tighten it well up, and we're gonna do the same with the second strand. So these inner strands are gonna create these loops. As you can see, when I pull it, I then press the bottom end so the strand is tight, and then on the top, around in the gap, and then through the loop here, like so. Now pull it, tighten it, and that's it. And from here, let me just unzoom a bit, we're gonna take this strand, the right strand or the outer strand of a bracelet core, and we can simply cut loose the loop we created, so we can insert our cord, or you can use the fit to insert it, it's all up to you. So from under this strand here and through the loop, through the center, like so. Now we're gonna tie this end firmly. Now pull this one and to the side, and here we have the one end done. Now the second. So here we are, we have the wider 4-strand bracelet core. Now we're gonna cut off this excess of cords. And here we are, the 4-strand wider bracelet core is finished. So that being said, I wish you all just best, stay safe, be well, and see you soon with the next tutorial. See ya, bye!